Hello. I woke up very early this morning. Well, for me, rolled out of bed and drove my friends, virtually family actually, to the airport to catch their flight back to England. And then I came back, did a few things, rolled back into bed, had a few hours, woke up, had a shower, and I tell you that I get a lot of inspiration from taking showers. And while I was taking that shower, it came to me, amongst other things, how wonderfully grateful I am to be able to have the opportunity to spend such wonderful time with loved ones and family and whoever you hold nearest and dearest to you. Um, if I didn't have the time, I would have had to, and I could have still got a taxi service for them and taken them to the airport, and it just wouldn't be the same. We had a nice conversation getting out of the house, into the car, at the airport. And when they get back later in the evening, they'll probably give me a shout to let me know that they arrived safely. But being successful, your own definition of success, gives you the ability to have a lot more flexibility. So for the time they were here, I was completely off my regular work, which, as some of you know, is a radiologist. And I was able to, take them to wherever they went. We had a long couple of days just going out and about, chilling at home. We got home, we relaxed in the evening. I didn't bother about anything else. And that is what being successful does for you. And so, what you need to do, if you are not there yet, and if you don't have the things that are nearest and dearest to you, or able to do it, or have the flexibility to do it, is to make a plan and start on that plan. It won't be a matter of if, it'll be a matter of when. The sooner you start, the sooner you get there. And when you have a goal, you'll be able to recognize opportunities. It's like driving past every day on your way to work, for instance, which is a very good example, and you never notice that there is a wonderful Thai restaurant. All of a sudden, one day, you look in the directory, you find a Thai restaurant, and it's on the same road you take to work. Anytime you drive past, you will know that that restaurant is on the way to work. Why? Because you had a goal, you looked for the Thai restaurant, and now you know where it is in your vision. And that is what happens when we set goals. The goals, your subconscious draws the necessary opportunities and ways to achieve that goal. It is important to have a goal, to write it down, and you let your subconscious do the work, as well as, of course, you taking action. So, everybody wants success for some reason. Define that reason, define the goals by which you're going to do to it, take action, and it's going to happen because you will be on the lookout for opportunities which otherwise would just pass you by. So, on that note, I'll say bye bye to your success, and I'll see you the next time. Sign up for my newsletter below somewhere there and talk to you. Bye.